Hey, what's up, everybody? We're gonna do a quick video on chicken soup. That's right. Went over to my sister's and made a chicken soup, and was in the middle of doing a whole bunch of other things. So I'll do my best to explain what I was doing. But I know that I didn't capture everything, but we'll see how the video turns out. Okay, welcome back. Glad you stopped by. As you can tell, I'm not in my kitchen. I'm in my sister's kitchen because I'm cooking my darlings, my Double Bubble cosplay and Life of M 2005.
You almost forgot for a second.
Alright, I'm cooking them a birthday dinner and cooking for the whole family. So, what we got here is I've got a pot of water on, all right? And this is going to be for our chicken soup, all right? Oops. I've got a 6-pound bird here, chicken, hence chicken soup. And we're gonna just boil that down. It's seasoned with salt and pepper. And I'm gonna put everything but the liver in there. And we're going to boil that down until the chicken is cooked through, and then we're going to season it some more and put vegetables in it. Okay. All right, so we're about 45 minutes into boiling this chicken down, and you'll see a scum that comes to the top. All you want to do is get a fine strainer and just pass your, it's gonna fog up. Just pass your ladle over it, and it'll pick up those fine pieces. There's nothing wrong with it. It's not appealing. It's not visually appealing. So, and we're gonna let this go some more. And in the meantime, what I did was I chopped some carrots, I chopped some celery, and I chopped a large onion. And I got that all set aside and ready to go when the time comes. So we've cooked down the chicken broth with the chicken, the whole chicken, for a couple hours. We took the chicken out. We're letting it cool, and we're going to pick the bones out of it and then put it back in the broth. But in the meantime, I put in couple cans of chicken broth. Now we're down to the wire where we're going to bring it all together. Once I pick through this chicken, the chicken's going to go back in, the bones are going to go in the garbage. We're going to add the vegetables, and then we're going to start to season it with sage, rosemary, and thyme. And then we're going to add orzo to it. So we'll be back with all that in a little bit. Okay, so I took all the chicken, took it off the bone, and cut it up, and I put some salt on it and put it back in the broth. Now we're going to start building the flavors and add the vegetables and the fresh herbs. Okay, so I added about 3 leaves of sage, 3 stems of rosemary, and about 4 twigs of thyme. I also added a nice bunch of parsley. So the finished result. This is the finished result, and it tastes great. Oh, and I added orzo. So that's pretty much it. This video was a little bit challenging. I was doing a lot of things at one time, and I probably missed a bunch. But I'll try to make it up in the description. So let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, and until then, we'll see you.